Hey, I got you. Put your fat thing back on.
Take your shoes off. You think you're
You're scaring me. Lily, turn around so I can get you. Okay. Go scare Poppy. He's right over here. Go scare him.
Take your shoes off.
It's all right.
Lily, take your shoes off.
Go scare him.
Where'd you get that? Where'd you get that?
Can I go trick or treat with you?
Hey,
Fine, because I've had it. You were nuts today.
Where'd you get that? Wait, tell me I quit. I want to win.
You want to wear it?